always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today is gonna be the last live cop for Supreme, which is week 19. We're gonna be seeing these vans come out. Honestly, I don't know exactly what's happening, bro. I feel like this is the only hyped item that's gonna be coming out, so this shit is gonna be a shit show. Hopefully we do end up cooking up, and hey, y'all about to see what went down in a little bit. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. This low-key might be the fastest live cop in live cop history. Alright, so basically I'm just waiting. I refresh and it loads. I click the page, and as you can see right here, bro, it's simply a blank screen. I go ahead and I click the item again. I'm like, alright, hopefully it'll go through. Nah, it's just smooth on a blank page, bro. It's 11 at this point, and I'm like, bro, what is really going on? I click the blue pair to see if it does anything. Yo, it was literally there for like 50 seconds, just blank, bro. As soon as it hits 11:01, bink, shit shows up. I'm like, yo, this shit is crazy. I can't even make this up. I click the blue pair and it just has the drop down thing where you would normally choose your size, but it's not even letting me choose a size, dude. I'm literally there for mad long just waiting and nothing changes, bro. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? How am I even supposed to cop these shits? It's not giving me the chance. I'm going back and forth. I literally sped up a 1-minute clip right there. As you can see, it's 11:02 and it still didn't let me do shit. It was just sold out. I go ahead and check out this lighter case, which actually restocked, but I'm like, dude, I'm not paying shipping for that shit. I'm low-key disappointed at this point. I'm just looking around a little bit and I'm sick, bro. Like, I don't understand what happened. Like, dude, it literally loaded and it was blank for like a whole minute. As soon as it hits 11:01, the shit loads. It has to be some shit with Supreme, because like that doesn't make sense. Why would it be that exactly at 11:01 the sneakers pop up and they're sold out at that point? So it's like, bro, it's not even possible to buy these shits without a bot, and it's crazy, bro. So basically, as you guys know, July is gonna be loaded with releases. Rich Notify actually offers a bunch of services, from add to cart, dedicated sneaker info, like sneaker releases, and just everything you want to go ahead and know before sneaker releases, raffles, sneaker monitors, a bunch of things that you can use to your benefit if you're trying to cop on these sneaker releases. He was actually able to secure a bunch of pairs of great Jordan 5s for the members. Simply all you had to do is let him know that you wanted them. Boom, he adds a slot for you and you're able to get the sneakers. It's actually pretty sick. I definitely do feel like it's worth it if you guys go ahead and check out Rich Notify. I also do want to say that they're only $20 for now. They will go up to $25 as time goes on, because with Discords, the better they get, the more expensive it ends up being. They're actually working on an app that's dedicated to sneaker releases, and all the info that you would normally find on a Discord, he's gonna put it on an app, which is actually pretty sick. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave their link at the top of the description if you guys are interested. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Before we get out of here, just make sure you slap a fat like on this video. Let me know what you would like me to do down below as far as videos go from now on. Like, do you guys want me to make a video talking about all the pickups I had for spring summer 2020? That would be fire. Also, just let me know what you would like to see. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.